Okay, my Flowbee just arrived in the mail today, and we're going to unbox this puppy. Alright, so it comes with the hose and an attachment. This end is an attachment to make sure other hoses fit on it, and then it is permanently attached to the actual Flowbee. So here's the actual Flowbee device. Pretty basic on and off switch, all that good stuff. And then it comes with power cord. Got a power cord right here. And the power cord, actually, you would think it would plug in. I was looking all around here, but it actually plugs in down here to the base where it connects to the vacuum cleaner. And that's my own vacuum cleaner that I'm going to hook this up to. And so it comes with that, and then it comes with all these guards. So all these different guards, and they all stack on each other and clip on, and then they eventually clip on to here. So you can make it anywhere from, I think, a ½ inch or shorter, all the way up to, I put all these attachments, comes with a whole bunch of them. I put them all together, and I think it was like at least 6 inches. So it can stack up like 6 inches tall, so that you can cut your hair to exactly 6 inches in length. And then last thing is the manual, and it just kind of goes through what all should be in the box, do's and don'ts, you know, the different steps. Getting started, cutting techniques, and then it's kind of funny over here. It gets into cutting men's hair. Look at those haircuts. Snazzy haircuts. The women, you know, this is even better, the women's haircut. Look at the women's haircut. My daughters thought that was hilarious. And it shows them cutting it on the women. And it even has a couple guards. These are like the thinnest guards. And it has, like, for example, look at this one. See how it's made to taper. So basically give you like a little bit of a fade with the haircut. So now I'm going to try this out for the first time ever. Okay, got the vacuum hooked up to the Flowbee. I've got a guard on. It's a guard that I'm not sure it's going to actually cut anything, but I'm going to go ahead and just give it a shot to start with, and then I'll move down to shorter guards if I need to. Vacuum on. Flowbee on. As you can see here, my hair is not actually going all the way up to the cutters, so my hair wasn't even going all the way up to the cutters, you can see. So this guard is too long. So now I'm going to try a shorter guard. This is definitely going to be long enough. All right, let's give it a shot. Vacuum on. Flowbee on. Okay, pretty sure that it cut. My hair is definitely a little bit shorter, and the true test will be if there's hair in the vacuum and there's hair in there. All right, I think I only wanted to cut like a little bit off, just give myself like a little trim, and I think I have succeeded and got it to the length that I wanted. $169 directly from Flowbee is what I paid. It's supposed to last, like they're really, really durable. I think it's supposed to last just about forever. So I'm excited. This could, in between haircuts, this could cut a lot of money. Haircuts have gone up in price, like doubled, it seems like, in the last year or 2 years at least. So I'm excited to try this out, and hopefully you give it a try too.